this thing called Back to the Roots Organic Terrarium Kids Grow Kit. We got 2 of them. So it says it grows in just 7 days. So it's like a STEM learning kit. So I wanted to teach them how to grow things. So here we go. So we got this one, and we also have this one as well. It's called Tomato Grow Kit. So it's basically, it comes with everything. Just add water. Oh my goodness!
I didn't know it was growing.
Yeah, it soaked up all the water.
It's so good.
Oh my god! All right.
Do that again.
You can help her do the stickers.
Can I feel the dirt?
And somebody's got to put the seeds in there too.
I'll put the seeds in.
So yeah, now we're on the decorating part. And they're just kind of adding the stickers. Some of them are, some of the stickers are glow in the dark. So we'll see. So yeah, we just added the sand. And then we added our little seeds in there. So this is what, day 3?
Day 3.
Yeah, so look at what we got.
The plants sprout.
They're sprouting, yeah.
So they're baby plants now.
Mm-hmm.
That's what they call them.
We got to do our tomato plant today
Yeah, see
because there's a lot of sun outside. Alright, so it came with this jar here. And it's got some little holes in it.
some water in. Can I pour some water in? Can I pour some
Hold on, let me see where it's at. Hold on, baby. Push it in there. Okay, this is what the seeds look like. I've never seen a tomato seed, so that's kind of cool. So,
we're going plants.
alright, yeah, we're going plants. Alright, so I'm just gonna push those in there.
I thought you said that's still the dirt, and this is dirt.
You know what I'm talking about. Don't be trying to play with me.
She's talking about.
You know what I'm talking about. Alright, now. So we just gotta keep filming. Okay, place it in the sun over here. Our other one. Place it right there.
Wait, by this.
Yeah, by that one. You need some sun. There we go. Here's our tomato plant now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is, what is this? Move your hand stay. This is back to the roots thing we're still doing. And look how big it's grown. Oh my gosh, look at the roots and everything. And we have our first little tomato. Where is it at? We're tomato. Where are you? Where's my tomato? Where's it at? Can you find it, son? Here, let me just sit back down.
Where's my glove?
Here he is. Oh my goodness. Good job, guys.
Thanks.
Oh, you guys did so great on your tomato plant. Oh my gosh. Look. This is wonderful. Okay, so what did we do to make this plant?
We were watering it. We watered it, and
You but what was the process? Before you watered it, you had to do something.
so we put the seeds in.
So we got some tomatoes. Look at our tomatoes. Oh my gosh. I think I am going to eat this one. That's a cute little guy, isn't it? Alright, now I got it cut. Now look at that. Oh, how cute is that? First time growing anything, and it's my first time growing anything, and it looks wonderful. Alright, I'm gonna eat it. And it still tastes the same as a tomato. I'm not a fan of tomatoes, but
I like tomatoes.
they are right on different things. But it feels good to eat my own stuff. Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. What you got? What you rolling around? What you rolling around, buddy? What you rolling around? Alright, so we have officially finished. We have officially finished our tomatoes. Say yay. Say yay. Clap. Say yay. Say bye-bye. Oh, yay.